On December 17, 1963, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed the Clean Air Act into law, marking a significant milestone in the United States' efforts to combat air pollution. This landmark legislation established the federal government's role in regulating air quality and set the stage for future environmental protection efforts. The Clean Air Act of 1963 was a response to growing concerns about the health and environmental impacts of air pollution, particularly in urban areas. It empowered the federal government to set air quality standards, conduct research, and provide grants to state and local governments for air pollution control programs. The act also required the Secretary of Health, Education, and Welfare to establish air quality criteria and control techniques for various air pollutants. This laid the foundation for the development of national air quality standards and the regulation of stationary sources of air pollution, such as factories and power plants. While the 1963 Act was a significant step forward, it lacked enforcement mechanisms and was largely ineffective in addressing the growing problem of air pollution. In 1970, the Clean Air Act was significantly strengthened and expanded under President Richard Nixon, establishing the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and setting more stringent air quality standards. The Clean Air Act of 1963 and its subsequent amendments have been credited with significant improvements in air quality across the United States. However, air pollution remains a pressing issue, particularly in urban areas and developing countries.